Hey guys, Aiden here. I'm doing another YouTube video. This time, I'm going to play with the sound and not without the music this time. But, so, yeah, well, when my dog comes back and my mum stops talking, but right now, I'm gonna zoom it in a bit so you guys get a kind of good. Oh, is it zooming in? Yeah, it is. Okay, guys. That's my mum down there. That's Spot. So I think I need to go get Spot's ball. But I do this now and then with my mum. It's just the end of winter here in Adelaide. So here's this ball. I don't know what I was doing. Chloe's being naughty. But sorry about the sun. Trying. Look at the dog. What are you looking for? His ball, I just saw it. Spot, where's your ball? I just had it here. Come on. Her ball wouldn't be up here anyway.
Chloe, come on.
Just get a new one.
Come on, Chloe.
Chloe! It's weird.
Straight away.
Really?
Chloe!
Mum, say hi to YouTube.
Hi, I'm Aiden's mum. Hi. Chloe.
Spot. Oh. That was weak. It's a massive hole. It's not. Doesn't look that dirty. Really, it's not black. It's just all from the stones of the road. Spot. Spot. Spot! Alright, I need to go back with him. Where's your ball? Spot? I swear, where's his ball? Did he get it?
Where's your ball? Where's Spot's ball now?
Far out. I know, I had it. He had it.
Where's your ball? I found Chloe's. Oh.
I hid it over here, unless it's in the truck.
Oh, Aiden.
Why is it my fault?
That's what she does. That's what she does. Come on.
Spot, where's your ball?
Come on, Chloe. Get your ball. Come on. You're going to find this.
Oh, why do I need it?
Oh, there it is.
He had it. I saw
There
it.
it is up there.
Oh, okay.
What's that?
Chloe, you good girl?
Your garden is beautiful.
Yeah, I don't mind a bit of garden, but I thought the grandson's come and tidy it up.
Isn't that good of them?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah, I've seen them here. God, they've
I
grown up
I
quick.
couldn't manage without.
It's Chloe's
When
ball.
they come and do anything hard, I just write
So I'm going to leave it a bit zoomed, so... Because the main... I want to try and get... In this video, the dogs getting the ball and stuff. Because... Oh, jeez, that sun. Oh, that's terrible. Jesus. Mum, come face this way, because the video's terrible with the sun. Come on. There you go. That a bit better, guys? sorry, that's what you see when you're in the sun. But I need the options of what to do in my videos because I'm actually losing ideas very quickly. Maybe you want some, maybe Black Ops 3 online maybe, so ready? I'll try to get Spot to catch the ball. Miss, and there's the last one. I need a sorry. Is that better? I need a shader or something. Ugh.
Congratulations to him. It is, sure is. Were you able to watch it? Was it on telly?
Oh, Spot.
Oh my God. Oh, yeah, I caught that this morning. Oh, terrific. Yeah. See, that Chloe was going to take off because she heard that I was talking. You are a cheeky girl.
Can you face that this way, Mum? Because the sun's it and it makes it just all white.
Don't hit it until I go.
I won't.
Well, just go over there and I'll go over here where I normally do.
Yeah, alright. So yeah, I need ideas about what to do for the next video. Hopefully,
Do you edit it afterwards before you put it on?
depends.
Do some of Spot being able to catch it.
I did one with Spot catching. Spot. Well done.
Haha, good catch. Good catch, Spotty. Did you get that?
Yeah, I wasn't zoomed in much. Where is it? That was a better one.
Spot. Good catch, buddy. You like catching?
Yeah, he does. I'm not playing that game. I'm just trying to let him catch it. Sorry about the film quality. The sun's still in the way. Oh, well done, Spot.
He always catches them, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you won't catch that.
Mum, can you move? Chloe. Hopefully, kind of see better here. Trying to clean my camera just quickly. Oh. Hit the top of the bin. Alright, I'm just going to film the dogs now. On spot. So, yeah, I need options of what to do in the comments. I might do another Black Ops video tonight, but anyway. Fly. No. In there. Oh. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and like the video for more. Thanks for watching, and see ya.